Hi, my name is Vijay Chaursia, and this is a video about how to set up the project locally. So, in a folder, we need to first clone three repositories: case study backend, case study frontend, and case study images. So, after the cloning is completed, you can open each folder in VS Code. Run npm install command. Then you will need an .env file to run the backend, which I will be showing you in this video. So this is the .env file, and in this file we will be changing this course origin. It's currently now localhost 3000. So you will need all these parameters in the your .env file to run this backend. Now for the front end, run npm install command. Then go to API endpoints file and change the base URL port to 8000. And in the backend, in the course environment file, course origin, change the URL to this. Restart the server. Here npm run dev in the front end side. Then open this URL and if you log in from any other user other than admin, you will be only seeing this products page. This is the filter that is implemented here, and all the categories are fetched dynamically by following it. Log and log out. Then after log out, you will be logged out. So test at the rate of test.com is the admin user. So if you log in with the admin username and password, you will be able to see this dashboard, and from here you will be able to add product. Enter the details. Then for the images file that you sample images file that you can upload, you can find all those images in the case study images folder. Click on publish, and now this new t-shirt has been added here. In the products you can see now it's appearing here. You can change its name by clicking on edit. Click on save. As you can see, the name has changed here. Go to the dashboard. I'm changing back this to its original name. Then you can delete this from here. And when you will check on the products, as you can see, it's no more here. If you are not an admin user and you try to go to the dashboard page, it will automatically redirect you to the products page. Also, each API call, like each API calls is verified, and in the uploads folder, all the images that we upload from the file front end are there. In the products model, uh, the schema design has been like this. If any of these values are not there, which are required true, it will give some error. This is a multi middleware. This is the authentication middleware, and here are the controllers for generating access and refresh token, check up, sign up, and login things. And product related controllers. In the front end, all the API URLs are under API endpoints.js, and this is a code which the user is not admin. It redirects it to the products page. I know that this can be improve a lot, and this shouldn't be, but given the limited time and the scope of the case study, I have done it like this. We can definitely do it like setting up in the schema design only, like is admin true or false. So yeah, and for the API calls also we can have them in a single file, but this can be done. All the API calls for that configuration is done in this file axiosconfig.js. Here the base URL is set for all the API calls and headers, and I'm using interceptor for every request, so that here we add the access token in the all the API calls. All the API calls that are made are is intercepted here, and in the authorization this access token is added. In the interceptors a response, like if response that we get from database, for some reason if the access token has expired, then we are using refresh token, and from the backend if that access token has expired we get status. I'm sending the status code 401, so here I'm checking that, and if the refresh token we get successfully, then I'm setting here the access token and refresh token automatically. Like from the automatically I mean that uh, this interceptor will handle every time if a 401 response status comes, so it will run automatically. uh, we don't have to write extra code in each API for 401 status code. And if this also fails, like refresh token also fails, then the access, we are removing from the local storage access token and refresh token, and moving to the login page. So this is the end of the video. Thank you.